Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button, and then once you see the current watch face, the home screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the list of widgets, and now you can scroll through the widgets and look for the one called steps and calories. And here we have the widget, and we can tap on it, and we have the amount of steps taken and also the amount of calories burned. And you can scroll down to see the last 7 days for steps and the calories, and you can also change the targets for these calories and steps if you want to. You can also check this in the phone application if your watch is paired with your phone. So if you move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out, and open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page, and on it there will be steps category. We have the counter, and we can tap on it, and we can change or rather check more information like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and even more stats right here. You can also change the goal right here by tapping on the step target. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.